So here's how you're going to rename your website and change your URL. So the first thing that you're going to do is to go to the Wix Studio or the Wix dashboard, and then from here click on Sites on the left hand side, and then here you can see all of the websites that you have. From here, just select the site that you want to rename, and then click on this ellipsis button. This is your site actions. Just click on that, and then you can see this rename site. Click on that. After that, just change your site name from here, and then you may also change your website address here. Now you can have your own branded domain without this .wixstudio.com by upgrading to the premium version of Wix. Once you're done, just hit on save. And then another place where you can change your website name and address is by clicking on one of these sites. Just click on edit site. And then once you're on your site dashboard, just go to settings. And then here, click on website settings. From here, you can change your site name, and you may also change your site address from here. For example, I'm going to change this into Four Seasons 1. And then in the site address, I'm also going to add Four Seasons 1 and then hit on save. Usually it will get saved. Another place where you can change your website address is by going to, again, your home and then click on design site. Clicking on design site will take you to the Wix website editor. Now from the Wix website editor, just click on pages and menu. And then here on the side menu, you can change actually the page name by clicking on this ellipsis button. And then from here, click on rename. However, this will only change the name of the page, the exact page where you're in. If you want to change the whole website, just again click on this and then click on SEO basics. Now from here, you can see what will appear on your audience whenever they see your site. So from here, you can see that they're going to see home and then Four Seasons. Now, if you want to change the title tag, just click on this and then change it. For example, I want to, instead of having this slash right here, I'm just going to type in home of Four Seasons. And as you can see, it has been changed. Now, you may also alter the meta description of your website. Like, for example, I'm going to change this. And as you can see, it shows up right here. Now, if you don't add that, that's okay. It's probably just going to show in the meta description the first few lines of your website. And once you're done, just hit on save right here, and it will automatically save the changes. And that's it.